In this episode of Musings about to enter the Family Mart, Cindy, why did we choose to live abroad in Japan?
So Japan, at least where we are now in Kyoto, there's a certain level of predictability, stability, and convenience about just things working, transport, cleanliness, ease of transportation, walking around, so that we can just really focus on work. So for example, as we enter this Family Mart, we can get everything that we ever needed, from food to kind of housewares to, I don't know, everything. Umbrellas are plentiful in Japan. What about for you?
Well, I also do love the convenience culture, like seeing all this free coffee, seeing all this free food. To me, if essentially food is free, you get this onigiri for only 99 cents. Which one's your favorite flavor? The salmon flavor is, in my opinion, the best as well. And yeah, to me, it allows us more, fewer distractions. It allows us to produce more, to create more art. And then, yeah, instead of going to Costco and spending 10 hours there, I mean, which is fun too, but just being able to grab a convenience mart coffee. Also, I'm really into this butter coffee, which they have at Family Mart too.
We need to get that.
Okay,